Mastering, I don't think so, unlocking subtle English expressions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English expressions. We're going to unravel the nuances of the phrase, I don't think so. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding these subtle expressions can make a world of difference in your communication. So, let's get started and master the art of saying, I don't think so. I don't think so is a common English phrase used to express disagreement or doubt gently or politely. It's a softer, more indirect way of saying, no, or that's not correct. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. One of the key uses of, I don't think so, is to disagree with someone without being too direct or confrontational. It's a diplomatic way to express your differing viewpoint. For example, if someone asks, is the meeting at 3 p.m., and you believe it's at 4 p.m., you might respond with, I don't think so, I believe it's at 4 p.m. This way, you're not just saying, no, but also providing your perspective in a respectful manner. Besides disagreement, I don't think so is also used to express doubt or uncertainty. It's a way to convey that you're not sure about something without completely dismissing the possibility. For instance, if someone asks, will it rain tomorrow? And you're unsure, you might say, I don't think so, but I'm not certain. Here, you're not just denying the possibility of rain, you're also acknowledging your uncertainty. The tone and context when using, I don't think so, can greatly affect its meaning. A friendly tone can make it sound gentle and polite, while a stern tone can make it sound firm or dismissive. It's also important to consider the context. The phrase can have a light, humorous touch in casual conversations or carry more weight in serious discussions. Congratulations! You've just taken a step towards mastering a subtle yet powerful English expression. Remember, I don't think so is more than just a way to say, no. It's a polite, diplomatic tool for expressing disagreement or doubt. Use it wisely, and watch your English communication become more nuanced and effective. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to exploring more intriguing expressions with you. Happy learning!